Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, anyị ekene unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi tata. Anyị si unu ụtụtụ ọma, efifie ọma, mgbede ọma, site na ngara ebe isi wee na-esoyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa na Igbo midia, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ife gbara ọkpụrụkpụ na-eme na ana Igbo dị iche iche, obodo dị iche iche na ana Igbo na obodo nke anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọbụna nke a bụ mbọsị izizi gị ị na-esonyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo midia, ekabalụ ka imetụ aka n'ebe a na-acha red and subscribe, share ekwe ya, gbakwa ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ka fasịsọ anyị na-esonyekwara anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme dị iche iche na Igbo midia. Dịka o si dị, o nwee nnukwu ya wetara unu ebe akwụkwọ gbasara maka ife na-eme n'obodo a. Anyị ga-achọkwu nke ya bụ ife unu ga-esia ya, unu adọrọpụrụ anyị kọmentị n'ife unu chere n'ụdị nke unu gbasara maka ya bụ ife niile ekwu n'iru akwụkwọ. Alright, over to you, sir.
Peanut from Nigeria, and there is no sustainability to whatever benefit they have. They are doing more harm to their family and everybody. So I encourage you, as you engage the CK, we shall all live to see Biafra. Already Biafra is here. All of us a Kainaba or different places. So I thank you for all you have been doing. I ask you to keep it up. The Lord will bless us all, and we shall all see Biafra in our villages by the special grace of God. If all things being equal, I'll be in Finland when we are going to do the declaration. I'll be in Finland, and I'll come with all my people. We'll be there by the grace of God. I'm very happy that for all the things that you have been doing, and I will continue to spread the gospel until we all achieve our goals. Thank you very much for coming to Australia. Thank you, everybody. May the Lord bless us all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay, we have Henry Azubike. Henry Azubike, unmute yourself. You have the mic. You can start. You want your video on?
No, please, I'm at work. I cannot turn the video on. Thank you. Right. His Excellency, the Prime Minister, the Commander-in-Chief of United States of Biafra Armed Forces, my respect. Good evening from Japan. It's a pleasure to be among you this evening. Even though I'm at work, I'm a little bit busy, but I'm following up. You people have done wonderfully well. Next will be our turn to host the Prime Minister in Asia. And I will be inviting everybody. We are learning from you all. We are moving forward. So therefore, we want to support what you are doing from Japan, what we are doing actually, hosting our Prime Minister. You know, the Prime Minister from Kola and something the color that I think Obro Cook or about some top champion or I saw.
There were watching it.
There were.
You are worthy ambassador. Yes, when Japan is ready, I knew. No shaking.
There were.
Wonderful. Thank you. More hands, more hands.
I want updates. I'll go look.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. So, and when James okay. On our PMOG with $100 Australian.
Wonderful.
Thank you. That's for now. If there is any more update, I will come up. And I'm using this opportunity to encourage our Australian people to come up. Come up. Our PM is here. Don't be afraid. Whether you're former, whether you're Peter Amgudo, come and ask our PM question. That what our PMOG. Oh, Dogu Kowo. Oh, Dogu Kowo.
This is the time. This is the time for them to ask questions. This is the time for them to ask questions.
Yes.
I'm Australia. So let them bring that question that they feel there is something. If they believe that I'm agent of Nigeria, I am fighting Mazin Ambikano, I'll come to destroy IPOB. This is the opportunity. Please call them on phone to come here and confront me with questions. Thank you.
They should come. They should come. That Mazi Simon Epan na gwono na mfuru. Na enwere ihe mfuru ebe onye anọ. Unu egeghe m ntụ unu were maka chụpụ m na IPOB. Lee na ihe ebe a bịa jụọ na ihe ajụjụ ihe ahụ ndị na-agwa unu ka unu confirm ọ. Me, unu ezosi ezo. The time has come. We are waiting for you guys. Thank you, my PM.
Thank you.
The second video.
Second video.
Oh, the last one.
Okay, the last one. All right.
Yes.
Number 4.
Sonny, please.
We are many here. Don't just keep quiet. Speak. 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 Say something. More hands up.
No, we can make it. Now, there's another thing of the night because that's all we change. Money is really go down, that's all we come. That man, I can go in and I did go up here and like now we are Canada, you are called Canada. Now, when I tonight, that one I got big. That's not done with that one. I'm not leaving my leader. You're going on my year. That one I find in the middle of that night. I'm going to come on. But I have a man. I'm going to go. That's the kind of stuff you can go. Yeah, that's why I'm good years. You are from another down when I became. You know, I can let my line up and bomb. Now I will let you kill them go. Come on. Don't you go out in the long term to kill them every time and come on. Come on, cuckoo. That's what I'm talking about. You have the Karama. You have the money of this night. You have the Mama to me, Bola, to leave the Yako. You are making up to one by one. That's what I go for. I'm not a family. I'm not a kind of one. I tell you, Mommy, very good. I need to buy even though I need to get about. I know that for me for a little more. Not to know you can look at that. Now I come on up and it's good. I'm not done. I'm not done. I have to do the Canaya. I'm not going to you. I'm not careful. That's what I will put my Calabani, very big vocabo. I'm going to say that I will come out to the I'm not making a number of the car. I'm not going to hire my guy. And I'm not result. I now that we are in the Canada, like I am living to Canada. Some of I get I go. I'm even on Canada. I live with the BJP Latarada. That's not the time and effort. But when they don't have a man and town do Carabano, the one bullet says on you can. They don't have my channel the time on a pioneer to be in the war. Canada. I'm not going to worry to the law. For a woman that can never see that. I'm not going to go to the Canada. How? I thought it would not come out of Canada. That's the lesson. No one wanted a wife. One hour I would go like that. And after the party, I mean, let me after the body. Diamond up for Canada. You know, I mean, you know, so you go down to Canada. Some of the time, I'm really going to be not from my last together. I am a little that can't be done. You know, that you're the Canada. You know, you could be carried out. Most people are like to take another program. Some of the time, I got to go to the West China. You will now in Canada. Now we're not collecting about several secrets. Yeah, but you don't understand. We don't know what I need to learn. We need to work in my life. We don't know what we do. My I don't select that one. I'm not going to go to the one. I'm going to go to the one.
Yeah, Biafra is here. Biafra is here. So to those, we've seen more hands up. If you, please, this is your time. Let us, we don't have this always. We don't have this opportunity all the time. So when we have it, we make the most of it. Please, Galaxy
the day Etetamora Manolan Unyandu was arrested in Kenya, was kidnapped. Hi. First of all, we map him. Nasimba. Baja. No. Actually, we can. They cannot use that. And you came up and took up the flag. I just want to say thank you. We're here over in Australia, and get our Bali. Okay, Kai.
And by Dalo Lineno, only if Konisi, when I saw any and many rock on Pasinketa, as a Copasinketa Mano Numa, I think which by zero, and the Cosidi, and the Kindle, if I be a Prime Minister Kuni Rockwa, Zoduki be a bo, a earbo, Ibo media, Kaisiko when you tell Nkozia do Kemba, Geniki when you Basta Makaya beef. Kabaroke drop for your comment, your own suggestion. Ni endani the Biafran Prime Minister Kuni Rockwa. Thank you so much and stay tuned at Ibo Media. Daro no munem kemesian.